This is your Weather Xtreme video for this Sunday morning, August 30th. Meteorologist Bill Murray sitting in for Brian Peters, who had a late night activity and an early morning engagement this morning, so we're letting Brian sleep in for a few extra minutes, and I'll get to do the video for you. Let's look back at some precipitation totals across north and central Alabama on Saturday, taken from the Birmingham Doppler, showing estimates of 1 to 3 inches across a good bit of the area. Most folks yesterday, about 50% of the area getting rain. About 30% getting over an inch of rain. The better totals, northeastern Winston County, maybe down around Fayette, Walker, southern Winston County, track up through western Walker, up through Coleman County, and then down from the Birmingham area into Talladega County. Probably the winners, northeastern Winston County, also down there in extreme southeastern St. Clair County around Pell City. Looking back over the past 30 days, temperatures in Birmingham started out warm, trended toward cooler. When you average it all up, it'll show that the month of August will turn out almost exactly average over the last 30 years. And that's how it works. But we continue to trend toward cooler, and that's not a bad thing. As we look back at precipitation over the last 365 days, here's the accumulated totals at Birmingham compared to average, or compared to what we would normally see during the year. And you can see by April we started to trend above normal, and that's been the pattern ever since, with the exception of, back before that we were running a little bit drier than normal, but we're thankful. Believe me, we don't like droughts here in central Alabama. 500 millibar chart this morning showing upper low spinning there over coastal Alabama. Lots of moisture pumping up into the region, and that upper low is the reason we've been seeing showers and thunderstorms. 0.17 of an inch of rain early this morning already in my rain gauge here in Vestavia. You can see the radar composite across the southeastern United States showing widespread showers across central Alabama. Some heavier showers over northwest Alabama, but mostly the rain in this part of the state has been light to moderate, but you can hear the pitter-patter of rainfall on your roofs at many locations across central Alabama, especially along and north of I-20 this morning. And that's important as we look at the high-resolution model data to kind of get an idea of what we expect for today with that upper low around. The HRRR had not been showing very much precipitation for today, and I hope that we would trend to drier. But I think given the radar this morning and the look of the RPM model, we'll go with it. This is what it looks like around noon today. Simulated radar reflectivity showing a good bit of showers across central Alabama. They'll continue to taper down as we head into the middle afternoon period. So I think the late afternoon may be more dry than the morning hours across the area. That's a typical flip of what you would see in the summer. Now, here is the GFS for tomorrow. As you can see, less shower and thunderstorm activity across central and north Alabama, maybe an isolated shower or a storm or two. And this will be the trend as we continue through Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Only isolated showers and storms each day. Temperatures will be trending back to where they should be for this time of year, running around upper 80s to near 90 degrees for the daytime highs. The lows at night will be around 70. Look at all the precipitation the model putting out over Florida. That's the remnants of Erica that are sort of circulating around that western Atlantic high. They'll bring heavy rain to Florida today and tomorrow, where flash flood watches and warnings are in effect. There's the 500 millibar chart showing big upper low spinning there over the northern Gulf Coast, ridge over the eastern United States, trough over the west. And that's pretty much what we'll see through the week with suppressed shower and thunderstorm chances. As we look at, as we go through time, we'll look toward late Friday afternoon. We see a lot of shower and thunderstorm activity developing over to the southeast. That's in response to another upper level low that could be developing, at least if the GFS has its way, around the New Orleans area, and that means more shower and thunderstorm activity as we head into the Labor Day weekend. Look at this temperature trends from the GFS showing a pretty normal activity through much of the week ahead, then trending to cooler as we head into the second week. And look at those 60s becoming the norm as we head into the middle of September, exactly where you would expect things to be. That's your, oh, well, no, we got one more thing to talk about, and that's Fred. Fred developed just an hour or so ago. Well to the southeast of the Cape Verde Islands. I had to go back and look because, we talk about Cape Verde hurricanes all the time, but they very rarely actually hit the Cape Verde Islands, and that may be the case with Fred. Hurricane watch, tropical storm warnings for the Cape Verdes this morning. The storm is expected to continue west and then turn a little bit to the northwest and could come very close to the islands on Monday. We'll see how that goes. Could possibly bring tropical storm or even hurricane conditions to that area, and we'll see how that goes. Here's the official track. The storm should turn more to the west with the subtropical high driving it to the west over the Atlantic, but that jog to the northwest may be just enough to keep it up above the islands and the Caribbean. That's your Weather Extreme video for this Sunday morning, August 30th. I'm meteorologist Bill Murray. James will be back with a video tomorrow. Hope you have a great day today. Stay dry and get downtown. Enjoy the Sidewalk Film Festival, world-class film festival going on in our city, the 17th iteration of it. Get downtown and enjoy some fine movies today.